Dear students, I have taken a sum based on Rolle's theorem. I take different types of sums to get introduce you about the solution of different types of sums and also about the nature of the sums. Means without understanding the nature of the sum, you can't solve the sum successfully. So look at the sum here. If a0 by n plus 1 plus a1 by n plus a2 by n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus an minus 1 by 2 plus an is equal to 0. So that equation this is equal to 0 will have at least one root between 0 and 1. For that, now for the solution, let fx is equal to this. Let fx is equal to this. Dear students, one thing is very necessary for understanding. That is, everything you can't understand seeing the one only about the solution of the sum. So think well. I am telling you, let fx is equal to this. Why? Because from this part you will get this equation. Without finding out this equation, you cannot find out at least one root between 0 and 1. So it is necessary to find out this equation, and for that fx you have to suppose you have to let fx is equal to this. Now where from you will get fx is equal to this? Just I told you, everything you can't understand seeing the sum only about the solution of the sum. From here and from here, this part. From this and from this, you will understand about this. Differentiation of this part will be this. The here main thing, where from you will get this part. This part you will get if you pay attention to this part and this part, you will get this part. As we are the student of higher classes, so it is necessary for thinking well and then try to solve the sum. Now, now differentiate this part, you will get this. Look at here, after differentiating this, you will get this, and this equation is here. From 2, it is clear that fx is differentiable at all x and hence also continuous. If differentiable, then continuous must. Therefore, fx is continuous in closed interval 0, 1 and differentiable in 0, 1 in open interval.
Go.
Also, from equation 1, f0 is equal to 0. If you put the value of x 0, then you will get 0. And f1 is equal to this. If you put the value of x in equation first. Yeah. And value of this is given in equation 1, 0. So this will be 0. Therefore, f0 is equal to f1. Therefore, all conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied for fx in closed interval 0, 1, and therefore there will be at least one point C where C is greater than 0 and less than 1, such that f dash C is equal to 0. That is a0 Cn plus a1 Cn minus 1 plus dot 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 plus an is equal to 0. It means C is a root of the given equation.